Hi guys, my name is Cici.
And I'm Dea.
And for today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing because we've received
A big box from Dallas.
Oh, pakita natin yung big box. Ito na yung big box from Dallas and we'll see what's inside. Kaya ba natin ito buksan?
Yes.
We've got a note from HighLevel themselves. This is the congratulations. Ano ba to?
Card.
Note. Ayan. So, magpapanggap kami na ina-open to. Ina-unbox. Kaya ba nung walang gunting?
Mukhang hindi.
Oo, parang hindi tayo prepared doon.
Yeah.
So guys, hindi tayo mapakali kasi napakahirap palang buksan. And the reason why binubuksan namin tong dalawa because mabigat siya.
Yeah.
It's heavy. Ano? Kaya ba ito? Ano?
Ano?
Paano natin to?
Paano na namin siya bubuksan, guys?
Ay, ito.
Hindi kami prepared.
Ano ba to? Ayan.
And, taranan!
Ang dami niya.
Pala.
Ang dami niyang balot. Okay.
Naka-box pa pala
Naka-box
siya.
pa siya. So, social. So, hindi naman ito tatawagin Gold Award kung walang gold box. Gold box from
HighLevel in Dallas.
Ayan, ito yung name mo, pero hindi mo
Yes.
nakuha in person.
Tan, tan, tan.
So, ito na yung ating Gold Award for HighLevel Pilipinas. Now, HL Accelerator. You normally will get this award if you get at least over 100 subscriptions inside of HighLevel. So, if you're looking to, of course, become a SAASpreneur, make sure to join.
HighLevel Accelerator, where you will learn from Cici and me.
So yes, we are on a mission to basically create more SAASpreneurs who are Filipinos. So hopefully you guys can also claim the same award.
Next time, kasama na namin kayo sa Dallas.
Yes. See ya! Aww, dami namin arte doon.